Hey everyone, and a warm welcome back to another video. Today, coming to you from Nagar, Maharashtra, we're tackling a fantastic audio upgrade for your rooted Android phone. We're going to show you how to install the Dolby Atmos Magisk Module on your rooted Android device. Get ready to unlock richer, more immersive sound that will truly elevate your listening experience. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly run through the essential requirements to ensure a smooth installation process. First and foremost, your Android needs to have an ARM 64v8A architecture. Secondly, you'll need to be running Android 11 or a more recent version. Crucially, your device must be rooted with either Magisk or Kernel SU installed. Alright, now that we've covered all the prerequisites and that important warning, let's move on to the installation guide. Remember, all the necessary download links for the modules will be readily available for you in the video description below. Make sure to check there to get everything you need. As we stressed earlier, if your ROM is read-only and many stock ROMs are, we highly advise installing and using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask for this process. If you currently have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed on your device, you'll need to uninstall them first through your Magisk app. If you have a Dolby module with the same name, you can likely skip this step. After uninstalling any conflicting modules, perform a complete reboot of your Android phone. Next, open your Magisk app or Kernel SU app, if you're using that, and install the Moto Core Magisk Module. As mentioned, if you are already running the official Motorola ROM without any significant modifications, you can likely skip this step. Now comes the main part. Using your Magisk app or Kernel SU app, or even through a custom recovery like TWRP if you have Magisk installed. Install the Dolby Atmos module that you downloaded from the link in the description. If you are planning to use this Dolby Atmos module in conjunction with any other audio modification modules, then you will also need to install the AML Magisk module. If you've opted for Kernel SU as your root solution, you need to open the Kernel SU app and navigate to the settings. Within the settings, make sure to disable the unmount modules by default option. It's time for the final reboot. And there you have it. Once your phone finishes rebooting, you should now have the immersive power of Dolby Atmos enhancing the audio output on your phone. I really hope you found this video helpful in bringing a premium audio experience to your Android. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more Android rooting guides, customization tips, and tech tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.